good day, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing my Galaxy Book. I will just say I've been a very big fan of Samsung products. I think since when I got initiated into the the ecosystem of Samsung, I just fell in love with it from the get-go. So I'll be unboxing my Galaxy Book. I've always been someone that wants to be so incorporated into the Samsung space. So as some people that are closer to me know, I prefer Samsung over iPhone, and I've always been using Samsung phones for my Android, for my personal phones. I don't use iPhone. So today we'll be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Book. This Samsung Galaxy Book is the Samsung Galaxy Book Go. It comes with, I'm kind of reading on the features right now. It comes with Windows 11 Home installed, the CPU, the CPU RAM is running on a processor of Qualcomm 7C Creo 468. It's an LCD. There is 14 inches full HD. Also it has okay, so the color is silver, and that's basically major things. And we have the SNIME number and the rest. So I've broken the seal. So I'm about to just open it for the first time. As you all know, Samsung products are always pre-installed with premium Microsoft apps, which is also a great one. In case you might want to buy other systems like your HP, you might have to buy the Microsoft Office, which is the Word, PowerPoint, OneDrive, and Excel. So as you can see, I'm opening it now. So the first point of contact I have is this envelope here. Okay, it comes, that's the starter guide, which many people don't use nowadays. So right here is the what's here, looks like a cord. So this is a cord, this is a cable, and I think this is an end-to-end cable. Probably if you want to plug your Galaxy phones, your Samsung phones to your, oh yeah, so it comes with a charger. So this is a charger here. You can also use this one for a Samsung to Samsung or Samsung to system connection. Also there's a charger here. It comes with a charger, which is also very good. And I think probably you can also use this for your Samsung phone if you have one, because the Type-C charger, you can use it for your Samsung phones. So everything, then we get to getting the system out. So the system is quite heavy. You can see it's not that heavy, but it's just kind of, and it's very portable. It's kind of a little bit heavy, but it's very portable. So this wow, and the fingerprints, like the silver look is very beautiful, very nice and comfy. So then let's go back to the usage. I think first of all, if you buy a new system, the first thing you need to do is to charge it to full capacity, which is what I'm going to do. So I'll be doing so. So later on, I'll be looking at the features with you guys, so that we know probably some cool features that you might not have in your normal laptops, like the HP, Asus, and the rest. So this is a Galaxy Chrome book, like the Google Chrome book. So I think many companies are trying to look for ways to have their own signature system laptops nowadays. So this is also one of the highlights. So this is the ports here.